Good morning everyone, Eddie here from Retarded Hungry. Today we're making a stop at the iconic Hard Rock Cafe for lunch here at downtown Waikiki, Honolulu, Hawaii. So what are we waiting for? Let's go! We'll show you the menu. They got a big menu here in Hard Rock Waikiki. Oh, they got Messi here too? Man. He got his own burger.
That's it. I didn't know that. One more different.
That sundae looks good though.
Here. Mommy!
And some desserts. Alright. Let's go see what we can eat. And this is part of their kids menu. And Lionel Messi is everywhere.
The shop. Did you look at the shop?
That's the family. Can you open up ate for the menu? What do they have? And those are the kids menu.
Did you look at the shop?
Starts at $12.95. Hey, we got our food. So I got the baby back ribs right here. And Rochelle got some chicken wings. Olivia got the cheeseburger. And Samantha is macaroni and cheese. So let's go eat. Alright, let's begin.
More.
The meat just fell off the bone. Yummy. Let's get the mashed potato.
Yeah?
Oh. Some beans.
What vegetable is it called again? Celery.
Maybe some coleslaw too.
Oh, yummy.
Sweet.
Want try? You just eat. The mac and cheese looks like this.
Oh, look at that. We'll try the buffalo chicken wings. One here with ranch, with blue cheese dressing or dipping sauce. Yeah.
How many blocks is
Yum,
our
yum,
car?
yum.
Then show them.
And this is Olivia's burger, almost done. Yummy. Yeah.
And that is so much.
We're gonna go try the mac and cheese. Samantha want me to try it. So cheesy. All right, let's dig in. Mm. Tender. Oop. This it. We have the Cheesecake Factory. It's almost noon, so we'll see if we can get some tables so we can eat for lunch. So let's see what they got in here for lunch. Alright, so this is the selection they have as far as cheesecake wise. All looking good. It's amazing. Alright, we are able to grab a sitting here in Cheesecake Factory in Waikiki. Let's see what they got.
Mommy, come on, so creepy. Wash your hand.
They got some adult beverages. Here's the appetizer.
I want macaroni and cheese. Again?
Salad.
I ordered my...
And you can actually sign up to become a member for free. And they do have rewards here at Cheesecake Factory. They got some sandwiches, salads. They have lunch specials right here, serve until 5 p.m.
Mommy, I want some mac and cheese. Oh,
Yeah.
I want to ask them what drinks they have.
A lot of food. So, all right. So let's go take a look at the menu and order what we got, and we'll see what we feel like eating today.
Why?
Okay.
Why?
All right, folks, we got our food. So we got this chicken chipotle pasta right here, looking delicious. And the kids got their mac and cheese with pizza. Right there, Michelle. Still pretty full from breakfast, so she only have coffee. Okay, so let's go dig in with this chicken chipotle pasta. All right. Here.
What don't you like? I want this. I want the spoon, not a fork. I am very lucky that you dropped the mac and cheese. That you dropped the mac and cheese.
Oh. A little kick of. I'll go kick up Chipotle in there. Pretty good. And there's a chicken right here.
You want besides here, okay?
Pretty good. Today's actually $19.95. It's one of their lunch special. Oh, not too bad. Serving's pretty good. It's a lot.
Can I have one pizza?
They have this chips right here, I think.
Yeah.
It's only so it's pretty good.
Mommy,
A little bit of
let's
heat.
have one pizza.
It's awesome.
Huh?
More chicken. There. Mm. And the kids want me to taste their macaroni and cheese. They say it's pretty good. Now let's see how good it is. Here we go. Right here. Oh. Oh, it is hot. Actually, it tastes pretty good. It's cheesy. Looks like some real cheese. Not one of them powdered cheese. One more. Mac and cheese is actually yummy. That's good. That's why they want me to taste it. It's actually pretty yummy. And the pizza right here is a cheese pizza. Let's go taste it. It's not burnt. Cooked very well. Let's see. Oh wow. That is yummy. That is yummy. Alright. Like I said earlier, I'm gonna go finish the food and I will see you folks later. Alright, the entrees are done, so you know what that means. It's dessert time. So guess what we got? I'm gonna show it to you right here. We got some Oreo cheesecake. That's what the kids wanted. Look how pretty that is. I don't even want to eat it. I just want to put it on display. But it's a cheesecake, so it's might as well eat it. And plus, if you're here at Cheesecake Factory, why not eat some cheesecake, right? Alright. Let me go get the first bite, you know, for safety reason. Make sure it's edible, so.
Here you go.
Look at that. So creamy. Yummy. Wow. Well, do you want some? I thought it's just for me. Here, go get your own spoon. Alright, it's kid's turn. Alright, lunch are done. Look what happened to the cheesecake by this girl right here. Done deal. Good? Alright, like I said again, we are done with lunch. Amazing food, amazing vibe. Just awesome food here in Cheesecake Factory in Waikiki. If you ever come to Waikiki, make sure you stop by at Cheesecake Factory. Gets really a little early. Lunchtime, there's not much line outside, but for dinner time, you might want to come to here a little bit early because we tried to do it during dinner time, and it is just packed and the line is just so long. So we just decided to go here for lunch. Eddie Aquino here of Retarded Hungry. Say thank you for watching my videos. Please don't forget to subscribe, like, and hit the notification button to get alerted from the next new video. Once again, thank you for watching. Aloha. Mahalo.